Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. So unfortunately I had to remove my video that I uploaded yesterday on this Makita giveaway due to an imposter pretending they were me and spamming the whole world. So I made some changes to the giveaway. It's still gonna run for about 30 days and you do have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed and you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. And the other change that I made was go ahead and send me an email to the email address here on the screen, and I'm also going to post it in the description of the video. That way there's no confusion. So send me an email there and just put in the title your user ID. That way I know that the user that I select and the email correspond to the same person, and hopefully I can avoid a bot from ruining this giveaway. So yeah, be a subscriber, send me an email just with your username. And if you're in the US, Canada area, I'll ship this out to you at no cost if you're the winner. If you're from a different country, international, to make it fair, I'll send you a $100 gift card, and that way I can avoid paying very expensive shipping fees. So once again guys, look at my username, the way it's spelled out, and my email. If you see something different, that is not me. And once again, I apologize for all the confusion yesterday. So let's do the unboxing and see what the winner's gonna take. So here's a close-up of the box. Got it at Tractor Supply. This is the Makita subcompact brushless reciprocating saw. And I had opened it yesterday on the other video, just making this available for everybody else. So you got the bag. It's going to have the charger in here. You're going to have the compact saw here. Now it is low on battery. It does have a light on there. Put that to the side. And it has some blades on there, a bimetal. And I think just a regular metal blade there. Metal cutting blade in the back. But yeah, once again guys, only reply to me directly, nobody else, and check out my email address and make sure it's the correct one you are replying to. So see you in the next video guys, and I'll post the winner up in a video. I won't do it by comments. So see you later. Bye bye.